What's up fans, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how can you get unlimited PLR products for free. So guys, before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. And it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, so you will get a lot of info about make money online. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. And in the last of this video I will show you how can I make over 10,000 per month by legendary marketer. So guys, I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am working here for last 8 years and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you get unlimited PLR products for free. PLR products means private label right. So you can resell this product, rebrand this product, and you can reuse this product. It's the basic concept of PLR, private label rights. So I will show you how can you get unlimited PLR products for free. But before starting this, check my video description and you see here my Facebook page. It's my Facebook page and a lot of info about make money related methods and tricks inside here, and you can, if you want to communicate with me directly, then send message here. And you see grab your 12 income increasing bonuses here. So guys, I am providing you 12 income increasing bonuses that will help you to make more money from online. So guys, check my all 12 bonuses and grab your bonuses for free. Now check into my computer and let's see. Search this website PLR database.net. So PLR database.net, it's a PLR website and you don't need to pay any single dollar to get PLR products, and you will get a lot of unlimited products, PLR products inside this PLR database. Look here, here is the marketplace, and if you want affiliate marketing products, then it is here. If you want business related products, then here. If you want your crafts and hobbies, then here. If you want educational PLR products, then you can get here. Entertainment, food and cooking, gardening, health, house and homes, HTML templates, image, love, marketing, mobile, money, psychology, relationship, sports, technology, travel, web design, WordPress plugin, WordPress themes. You can get everything inside this PLR database, and it's for free. You can personally use these products. You can rebrand these products for selling. You can rebrand it for providing other people the bonuses. So you can do everything, all these products, and you see how much products inside every categories. If I see affiliate marketing, then see here 778 products about affiliate marketing, and you see here 2579 products in business category. And if you see health, you will see a lot of products inside here. And now suppose you want to download this 30 minutes affiliate, just click it and just download. Just click the download and get your PLR product for free. And if you want to resell it, or if you want to rebrand it, then you can use these images, or you will get the description of this product. So everything is done for you for using these products. So you can resell it or you can personally use it. Then in health and fitness categories, suppose you want to yoga power poses, got here, just click download and get the full version. And here is all the details about the files. It's a zip file size, 3.3 megabyte, license PLR MMRR, product file PDF, doc, HTML, PNG. Yes, everything inside you will get inside this PLR database.net website. So you will get a lot of and unlimited products in various categories inside this PLR database.net site. And if you, it's free, but if you want to be a premium member of PLR database, then you can join here, and here is the pricing. You can always use it in free, but if you want to premium, that you will get more features, and it's for free. It's $10 per month, but it's not mandatory. You can use it 100% free always, but if you want to get more features, then you can be a premium member of this PLR database, and it's for 10, and 25 for 3 months, 49 for 1 year. That's it. So guys, if this video helped you to find out unlimited PLR products for free, then like this video, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video for the other peoples. And if you are first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel. I assure you it will help you a lot to make money from online based on affiliate marketing. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation. And you see here I am making $1,000 by legendary marketers, and I am also making money from JBJU, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Intern Institute, another high ticket program, and I am promoting everything, and I want to promote more and more. So legendary marketer is an educational platform, online marketing platform. Legendary marketer teaches me how to build my traffic source. How can I reach to my audience? Everything, all the marketing strategies, everything you will get inside legendary marketer, and you can promote this legendary marketer for your affiliate marketing. and legendary marketer will teach you everything from where you should start your online business and how can you long run for lifetime your online business successfully. Everything which is inside this legendary marketer. So guys, if you want to make big money and if you want to run your online business successfully for a lifetime, then join legendary marketer, and it's a 15 days challenge. After joining here, you will get all these 15 days, and you will have to complete this 15 days training, and a coach and the advisor will be appointed for you, and he will solve every problems of you. So guys, if you want to make big money from online, then join this legendary marketer. It's an educational platform. So if you want to get overnight success inside legendary marketer, then don't join here. It's not a overnight training program. It will help you to long run your online business. It's not overnight. So guys, best of luck, and visit this PLR database and get unlimited PLR products for 100% free. So guys, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, and check my number one recommendation for making $1,000 by affiliate marketing. That's it. Bye.